Hi, I am Rahul. This is my first video on YouTube. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can set up GCC compiler in your PC. First, open any browser in your computer. Then search sourceforge.net/projects/mingw/. And click on the green download icon. Your download will start in 5 seconds. Here I have already downloaded this setup file, and I already have compiler in my PC. Let me show you. To check, first you need to search CMD, and then open it. Now type GCC and click enter. If we are seeing GCC fatal error, then it means that we have GCC compiler in our PC. Let me remove it first, and check again. So the compiler is gone now. Now open the setup file that you have downloaded first, and double-click on it. Then click on Install, then Continue. Now some files are started downloading. This will take about 2 minutes. After finishing the download, click on Continue in the Installation Manager. Left-click on these icons and mark them for installation. All of them. Then click on the installation on the choose the option Apply Changes. Choose Apply, and this will start the downloading of compiler files. It will take some time as per your internet connection, so I'm cutting this part. After completing the download, a window will open that shows extraction of these files. After finishing this process, you can click on Close icon. After finishing, close all those windows. Open the location of the compiler. If you did change the location, then the default location should be C drive. So go to C drive and open Min, then open bin folder. Copy this path. And search environment variables. Then click on the first result. And now choose environment variables. Now in the system variables, look for path. Left click on the path. Click on new. Now I already have these paths for the compiler, so I am deleting these first, and you can click on new direct and paste the path that you copied. Click enter. Click OK and close all these windows. Now your compiler setup is done. You can check it by opening CMD prompt and typing GCC and pressing enter. If you are seeing the message GCC fatal error, no input files, then the setup is done. If you're facing any problem, you can restart your PC so that your PC will load that path we give to system variable. Thanks. If your setup is done, subscribe to our channel. The next video will be of how to set up VS Code.